We're out in the Thames estuary off the coast of Essex and Kent in the United Kingdom. We are visiting a set of anti-aircraft forts called Red Sands, which were put in place in 1942 and designed by Guy Monsell. They were very, very strategic in the saving of London from the Luftwaffe bombers during World War II.
A vulnerable part of the British capital's air defence was the wide Thames estuary. It was like an avenue for Luftwaffe warplanes to approach their targets. So the Admiralty decided to cover this breach with a system of forts. Each fort comprised a number of three-storey platforms, supported by hollow reinforced concrete tubes, a little over 20 metres long. This structure was loaded on a special pontoon and towed to the installation site by sea tugs. All the platforms were designed in such a way so that together they formed an integral system. The fort's anti-aircraft guns could fire at 360 degrees. A submerged telephone cable and a radio link provided its coastal communications. In November 1943, the Red Sands fort was completed and put on full alert.
Here we are on gun tower number 1. Here's the shell locker to my left. 32 shells held in this locker. There are 3 others around the site as well. For this gun, the 3.7-inch gun. Also on the other towers as well, another 3 towers having the same gun, same shell lockers. Also, the Beaufort Tower, which held 2 of its own Beaufort guns. This indeed was a very good installation and very effective in World War II.
During the war, the air defence forts shot down 22 aircraft, 35 V-1 flying bombs, and even seriously damaged a German submarine that entered the Thames estuary to deploy mines. In general, the Monsell forts proved to be very effective. Previously conducting a raid on the British capital from around the corner was a walk in the park for the Luftwaffe, and now Monsell's towers made this route extremely dangerous.